Breaking news: Interfaith prayer for peace and Iftar dinner held in Lahore. Lahore, an interfaith prayer for peace and Iftar dinner was organized at St. Anthony's High School main branch through the joint efforts of Human Friends Organization (HFO) and the Archdiocese of Lahore to promote religious harmony and national unity. Religious leaders, civil society representatives, and social figures from different faiths participated in the event. The ceremony was presided over by Vicar General Father Asif Sardar, while Parliamentary Secretary Ms. Sonia Asher attended as the chief guest. HFO President Sajid Christopher welcomed the participants and said that Pakistan's beauty lies in its religious and cultural diversity, which can be strengthened through mutual respect and dialogue. The event was moderated by Reverend Father Nakash. Speakers including Sister Janeeb, Maulana Asim Makhdoom, Father Bishar Samson Salamat, Father James Chandan, Dr. Badr Munir and Mufti Ashik Hussain emphasized the importance of religious tolerance, interfaith dialogue and promoting a culture of peace. The event concluded with a joint prayer for peace and Iftar dinner, reflecting unity and harmony among different communities.